When I was young, I definitely wanted to be a car designer. It's really difficult to describe what I do. My name is Chris Labrooy, and I am an image maker. CGI is like a really fascinating medium because anything is possible. Yeah, I think with the work, I'm always trying to search for those moments of happiness. So something like an inflatable flamingo or a swimming pool symbolizes happiness. I studied design products at the Royal College of Art, and in those days I was really interested in making things and experimenting with materials. I kind of moved from making physical, tangible objects into making images. I've always been interested in cars ever since I was a small boy. Basically play with them, then I would draw them, try them in computer games, and then go full circle back again and make images of them. What I'll do is get up really early, about 5:45, 6 on a weekend, and just go for a drive. Of all the consumer products, cars are the ultimate object of desire, and they have really specific and unique identities. So I've owned 4 different Porsches. Current car I have now is the Cayman 718 GTS. I live in Aberdeenshire, and we're blessed with really good roads. It wasn't until I owned a Porsche that the brand actually started to get under my skin a little bit. As I got older and started to be in a position to buy my own sports car, it was a Porsche that I chose. When I'm making my images, I almost see all the objects and the cars are they're actors in a way. The 911 is like an A-list Hollywood actor. It can play a comedy role, but it can also play a villain. It's so versatile, it just has this personality that can adapt to all these different types of situations. So I'm really interested in mid-century architecture and design. The attraction to places like Palm Springs is because it's almost like going back in time. Get the right balance between finding the right car and the right context. California and the 911 is a perfect combination. So in the end, I like a ridiculous idea that is really well crafted.